Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Lonryd SmileFlex, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide where I show you the exact process. Links in the description. So, Lonryd SmileFlex is advertised as an affordable, no dentist needed cosmetic veneer. However, several red flags raise concern. Their official site links back to Vinora, not Lonryd, already a sign of questionable transparency. Malware Tips reports fake 5-star reviews, reused stock photos, and misleading before and after images. Buyers claim the product looks cheap, doesn't mold properly, and causes discomfort, with speech issues being a common complaint. The biggest frustration, customer support. Many users report getting ignored, receiving no refunds, or being blamed for improper use. For the final verdict, Lonryd SmileFlex sounds good in the surface, but the overhyped marketing doesn't match customer experience. It's not a total scam, but it's misleading and not worth the price. If you're serious about improving your smile, talk to a dental professional or look into well-reviewed reputable brands. Have you tried SmileFlex? Let us know your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on trending products. Smile smart, don't fall for the hype.